What documents do I need to open a bank account?
You need your ID card, proof of address, and a passport-size photo.
What type of account would you recommend for a new customer?
I recommend a savings account because it's simple and safe for beginners.
What is the minimum balance required for this account?
The minimum balance is 1,000 rupees to keep your account active.
How long does it take to open the account?
It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete the process.
What kind of identification do you accept?
We accept a national ID card, passport, or driving license.
What information should I provide in the application form?
You should provide your name, address, phone number, and date of birth.
What are the benefits of opening a savings account?
A savings account helps you earn interest and keep your money secure.
What are the banking hours for account services?
Our banking hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday.
What fees are charged for maintaining the account?
There is a small monthly maintenance fee of 100 rupees.
What kind of card will I get with this account?
You will receive an ATM debit card within a few days.
How can I activate my ATM card?
You can activate it through any ATM or by visiting the branch.
What is the interest rate for a savings account?
The current interest rate is 5% per year.
What should I do if I lose my debit card?
You should report it immediately, and we will block the card and issue a new one.
What details are needed to register for online banking?
You need your account number, registered mobile number, and email address.
What is the advantage of online banking?
It allows you to manage your money and make transactions anytime.
What types of accounts can I open here?
You can open savings, current fixed deposit, or business accounts.
What's the difference between a current account and a savings account?
A current account is for business use, while a savings account is for personal use.
What happens if my balance falls below the minimum?
You will be charged a small penalty for not maintaining the balance.
What currency can I open my account in?
You can open it in local currency or in US dollars.
What should I do to close my account in the future?
You just need to submit a written request at the branch.
What kind of proof of address is accepted?
We accept utility bills, rent agreements, or any government document.
What benefits do senior citizens get?
They receive a higher interest rate and free checkbooks.
What is the process for joint accounts?
Both applicants need to provide identification and sign the form.
What are the age requirements to open an account?
You must be at least 18 years old to open an account.
What services come with a current account?
It includes unlimited transactions, checkbooks, and business support.
What is the maximum withdrawal limit per day?
You can withdraw up to 50,000 rupees daily using your ATM card.
What is the deposit limit in a single transaction?
You can deposit any amount depending on your account type.
What charges apply to ATM withdrawals from other banks?
A small fee is charged for using other bank ATMs.
What documents are required for a business account?
You need your business registration, tax ID, and bank references.
What should I do if I forget my account number?
You can find it on your passbook or by visiting the branch.
What services are available through mobile banking?
You can transfer money, pay bills, and check balances anytime.
What should I do to update my contact number?
You should fill out a contact update form at the branch.
What is the process to change my address?
Submit a new proof of address along with an update request.
What documents are needed for a fixed deposit account?
Only your ID and an initial deposit are required.
What is the minimum amount for a fixed deposit?
You can start a fixed deposit with 10,000 rupees.
What is the duration of a fixed deposit?
You can choose from 3 months up to 5 years.
What is the penalty for breaking a fixed deposit early?
A small deduction is made from your earned interest.
What benefits do I get with a premium account?
You get higher withdrawal limit and personal banking support.
What are the security features of your online banking?
We use two-factor authentication and encrypted connections.
What kind of customer support do you provide?
We offer 24/7 helpline and live chat support.
What details are shown on my bank statement?
It shows all deposits, withdrawals, and balances.
What is the statement period for savings accounts?
Statements are issued monthly or quarterly.
What should I do if I see an error in my statement?
You should contact the bank immediately for correction.
What are the benefits of using a checkbook?
It allows you to make large payments easily and securely.
What are the charges for a new checkbook?
The first checkbook is free, and extra ones have a small fee.
What is the process to stop a check payment?
You can stop it through online banking or by visiting the branch.
What is the advantage of linking my account to my phone?
You can receive alerts and make instant transactions.
What are the requirements to open an account for a student?
A student ID card and a guardian's consent are required.
What services are included in a student account?
Students get low charges and easy access to online banking.
What do I need to open a joint family account?
All members must provide IDs and sign the agreement.
What is the process to add a nominee to my account?
You can fill a nomination form anytime at the bank.
What is the benefit of adding a nominee?
It ensures your money goes to the right person after your death.
What are the benefits of linking my account to my salary?
You get quick salary deposits and lower maintenance fees.
What details are required from my employer for a salary account?
You need an official letter and your employee ID.
What is the difference between a local and international account?
An international account supports foreign currency transactions.
What services do you offer for international transfers?
We offer wire transfers and foreign currency exchange.
What details are needed to send money abroad?
You need the recipient's bank details and SWIFT code.
What is the process for receiving money from another country?
The sender needs your account number and the bank's SWIFT code.
What are the transaction limits for international transfers?
Limits depend on your account type and bank policy.
What kind of verification is needed for big transactions?
We may ask for income proof or source of funds documents.
What are the benefits of opening an account with your bank?
You get reliable service, security, and flexible banking options.
What is the next step after filling out the application form?
You submit it to the officer for verification and approval.